Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we focus on helping parents support children with learning difficulties through tips, strategies, and real talk. If you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon. It really helps the YouTube algorithm reach more parents who may need guidance on supporting their children with learning difficulties. Thanks for being here. Now, let's dive into today's video. Reading seems automatic until your brain processes letters differently. For the 1 in 5 people with dyslexia, every page demands extra cognitive labor, juggling working memory to hold letter sequences, straining visual processing to stop words from blurring, and exhausting mental energy just to keep focus. Traditional interventions often drill phonics, but what if we could strengthen the underlying cognitive muscles making reading possible? That's the promise behind Elevate, a brain training app claiming to boost processing speed, memory, and focus through science-backed games. But does it deliver for dyslexic users? For dyslexic thinkers, reading isn't just about words on a page, it's a high-stakes cognitive workout. Every sentence demands extra effort from 3 key mental muscles: reading speed, to process text without lag; working memory, to hold letter patterns in mind; and processing speed, to make sense of information quickly. Elevate's brain training app targets these exact challenges, not with boring drills, but through games designed by neuroscientists. Let's break down how each of its 3 focus areas tackles dyslexic pain points. Games like Brevity train you to spot key words in paragraphs, enhancing reading speed. Error Avoidance strengthens memory by testing recall of word patterns. Timed puzzles improve processing speed. Game 1. Brevity enhances reading comprehension by forcing you to extract core ideas from paragraphs. It highlights keywords to train selective attention, a skill dyslexic learners often struggle with. Unlike generic Sudoku or crossword puzzles, these drills simulate real-world reading under time pressure, but with a twist. The games adapt to your pace, gradually stretching your comfort zone without overwhelming you. Game 2. Error Avoidance boosts memory by challenging you to spot misspelled words in a grid. Remembering letter patterns under time pressure helps battle common dyslexic reversals. Imagine holding a phone number in your head while dialing. Now imagine doing that with letter sequences in words. Elevate's Memory Grid and Error Avoidance games act like a gym for this mental muscle, training your brain to retain and manipulate letter patterns, critical for spelling and following complex sentences. Game 3. Processing improves visual tracking. Objects flash on screen, and you categorize them by color or shape, building the visual processing speed needed for reading fluency. Many dyslexic readers describe words dancing or lagging as they decode them. Games like Processing use rapid visual categorization tasks to sharpen how quickly your brain interprets symbols. The genius is in the design. These aren't just faster drills, but layered challenges that build automaticity. Over time, users report needing less conscious effort to track lines of text or spot errors, a game changer for productivity and confidence. A University of London study found Elevate users improved reading speed by 22% in 12 weeks. Users report less mental fatigue during homework and better memory for names and numbers at work. In Elevate, games feel like play, not therapy, making them engaging for users of all ages. Parents and professionals alike appreciate the app's ability to make learning enjoyable. Elevate is a supplement, not a cure. Timers may stress some users, and the free version is limited. It's ideal for dyslexic learners and adults seeking sharper focus at work. Pairing Elevate with text-to-speech apps provides comprehensive support. It's best for those who enjoy gamified practice and want to enhance their cognitive skills. Consistency is key. Play daily for just 5 minutes to build a routine. Focus on weak areas using the performance dashboard, and pair with assistive tech for reading heavy tasks. By integrating Elevate into your daily routine, you can maximize its benefits. Regular practice helps reinforce skills and improve overall cognitive function. Elevate strengthens cognitive skills, but doesn't replace interventions. On our dyslexia-friendly scale, it scores high on engagement and skill transfer, though customization could improve. By engaging with Elevate, you'll enhance your cognitive skills and enjoy a fun, interactive learning experience. Let's work together to make learning accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 6564-6533 or 8614-7651, or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.